What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix adaptive brightness not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting the adaptive brightness will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue while using adaptive brightness, then test for sensors. So to test sensor, open settings, scroll down and click on device care, and then scroll down to the end and click on diagnostics. Now here in diagnostics, click on phone diagnostics and then click on sensors. Now your phone will automatically test all of your phone sensors. If the result says the light sensor is working normal, then move to the next solution. But if the light sensor says that it's not working normal, then you have to replace the light sensor. So after testing, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is update your mobile software. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now from here, update your mobile software to latest version, and after updating the issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.